Most people get this wrong. They think PayLeap is just another payday or buy now, pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access, flexible installment payments, and budgeting tools all in one platform. When used responsibly, it can help manage short-term cash flow without leading to long-term debt. Here's how PayLeap works. The app lets you access a portion of your earned wages before your official payday, often within a few hours. You can also split eligible purchases into smaller, manageable payments over several weeks. Instead of charging traditional interest, PayLeap uses a flat, predictable fee per advance or installment, making it easy to plan your budget. PayLeap also includes helpful tools like repayment reminders, notifications for upcoming due dates, and a dashboard that tracks spending. These features help you stay on top of your finances and avoid surprise fees. The downside? Overusing PayLeap can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments add up quickly, and relying too heavily on the app may mask underlying financial issues rather than solve them. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only access funds you can repay on time. 2. Set up reminders for repayment dates. 3. Keep a small emergency fund so you don't need to rely on advances repeatedly. Who should use PayLeap? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. If your income is irregular or repayment discipline is weak, PayLeap could cost more than it saves. In conclusion, PayLeap in 2026 is a convenient tool, but only when used wisely. Track fees carefully, plan your repayments, and treat it as a temporary solution rather than a long-term fix. Subscribe for more honest financial reviews and practical money tips to stay in control of your finances.